Mayor, we received 3 comments previous to tonight regarding the consent calendar, but as a point of clarification, they were posted on the website as consent calendar, but in fact were for other items. But you've been given those, and I'm sure that you know which category they would belong to. We also received 1 email during the 3-minute period. It did not contain any information.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Mize. Any questions or comments on the consent calendar from the council or motion to approve? Councilmember Dacquisto?
Yes, I have a comment on 2 items. Item 4.1C and item 4.11J. I'll be voting no on both of those items. And as an explanation for my vote, those items relate to a proposed real property transaction that's been offered to the city of Redding, and it's been agendized in closed session. I can't discuss what happened in closed session, but you could see the parties to the transaction if you look at that agenda. The transaction, in my opinion, as a lawyer from 1978 until now, is very likely to generate litigation, and the city, I believe, there are viable claims or potentially viable claims that could be made against the city if the sale goes forward. I believe that the timing of the sale is not good. I believe there's more information that should be obtained before the city goes forward with it. It's not very often that the city has an opportunity to control its involvement in litigation. Many times the city just gets sued and things happen that are not in our control. In this case, we have an opportunity to act in a way that I believe would benefit the citizens of Redding and would greatly reduce the likelihood of any litigation or the success of any litigation. So for that reason, I'll be voting no on those 2 items.
Okay. Any other questions or comments or motion?
I'll make a motion to approve the consent calendar.
I'll second.
Okay. We have a motion and a second. If we could have a roll call vote, please.
Councilmember Dacquisto.
Aye, as to all items other than the 2 I mentioned.
Thank you. Councilmember Resner.
Aye.
Schrader.
Aye.
Winter.
Aye.
And Mayor McIlvain.
Aye. Thank you. We move on to item number 6, public hearings, petitions, and protests. A court challenge to action taken by the City Council on any project or decision